Today we will be assembling the Liquid-Tool mini-powered toy DIY car. The car is about 15 centimeters long and is powered by two AA batteries, not included, but it also can be connected to a solar panel. I ordered this on Amazon and I will include a link in the description below. Let's open up the bag and get started. Inside you will find a printed directions, which are written in Chinese, but it also includes detailed pictures, which hopefully will make it easy to assemble. As far as the parts are concerned, to start assembly, you will need the two long black frames and the two axles. The axles slide through the holes in the frame and are held in place by the spacers. Next, you need to attach the gear onto one of the axles. Next are the pulleys. One goes onto each axle on both sides. I recommend having something hard to press down on because it is a tight fit. Next comes the motor and the motor cage. The motor slides right in. Be sure to keep the wire connected part towards the top. You slide the tiny gear onto the end of the motor, and then the motor gets screwed down onto the black frame. You need to line up the holes and while making sure that the gears line up. I use a separate screwdriver than the one included in the kit, and I found it much easier to use. Next, you screw on the front and rear fins, or maybe they are supposed to serve as wheel protectors. Those are the green pieces. Rubber bands go over the pulleys on both sides, which help to drive the car forward using the power of the motor. Pop on all four wheels. Again, you may need something to press down on to slide the wheels on tightly. The last part is to take the battery compartment, which contains an adhesive strip to stick to the body of the car. However, the battery power part does come with an on-off switch, which is very convenient. You need to slip the tips of the wires through small hooks on the end of the motor. Be sure to double check the red and black to make sure that the car is going to move forward with the motor in the back. If not, that means you just need to switch the wires back and forth. I use my screwdriver to pry up the tips of the hooks, which makes it that much easier to connect the wires. After doing that, the last thing was to pop in some batteries to see if the car worked, which it did. Again, this was the Liquid-Tool mini-powered DIY car, which ordered on Amazon. I'll include a link in the description. I'll be making a follow-up video where I attach the solar panels to see if that works just as well. Thanks for watching.